रही स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट साइंस है, चैप्टर 1 है क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन एंड मैनेजमेंट। आज आपको इसके शॉर्ट आंसर करवाऊंगी जो आपको करने हैं। State the benefits of plugging the soil. The benefits of plugging the soil are as follows. Number 1, plugging turn the soil and loosen it. This allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. Number 2, the diffusion of air occur easily in the soil. Number 3, weeds are removed by plugging. Number 4, added fertilizers mix well in the soil. Number 5, moisture holding capacity of soil increases. Number 6, plugging makes the soil suitable for shooting. Next, number 2, mention the uses of plug. The use of plug are the main use of it is to plug in the soil. It removes the weeds. Enables fertilizers to mix uniformly with the soil. State the name of manures and fertilizers. Examples of manure: cattle dung fertilizer, compost fertilizer, vermicompost for green manures, manure obtained from gobar gas plant. Examples: fertilizers urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, NP. Mention the advantage of manure. Extent the organic manure is considered better than fertilizers. आंसर आएगा द एडवांटेज ऑफ मैन्योर इन एनहांस द वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ द सॉइल. नंबर 2, इट मेक्स द सॉइल porous ड्यू टू which exchange of gases becomes easy. Number 3, it increases the number of friendly microbes. Write the different methods of irrigation. Methods of irrigation. आंसर आएगा मेथड्स ऑफ इरिगेशन. देखो यहाँ पे आपको बताया है ट्रेडिशनल मेथड, अदर मेथड्स और मॉडर्न मेथड्स. नेक्स्ट है नंबर 5. आपका नेक्स्ट नंबर है राइट एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर्स. एडवांटेजेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर्स: ड्यू टू वाटर soluble in replenish the soil with minerals rapidly. Its effect is instant and crop production increases. Fertilizer can be supplied according to whichever mineral is needed in the soil. Disadvantage of fertilizer: water holding capacity and texture of the soil may decrease with the use of it. Number 2, due to water soluble, it washes out with rainy water. It is relatively costly. Next question: which harmful effect occur to crop due to weeds? Which step can be taken to remove weeds? Harmful effect of weeds: some nutrients available to crop from the soil are absorbed by the weed, so required nutrients are not available in sufficient quantities to the main crop. Besides it, weeds also compete with crop for sunlight and water, so yield of the main crop decreases. Step taken to remove the weeds: weeds can be removed by tools such as khurpi, sickle, and hoe. Weeds can be removed by inner plugging with harrow. Weeds can be removed by the use of herbicides such as 2,4-D. Next, why should modern agriculture implements be used in agriculture? Answer: modern agriculture implements such as harrow, seed drill, harvester, thresher, combine, and tractor are used in agriculture. With the use of such implements, more work can be done in short time. No manpower or animal power is used, so it relieves the farmer from excessive labor. Economic benefit can be achieved with the production of more than one crop. Crop production can also be increased as there is no wastage of crop, so farmers should use modern agriculture implements. Next question: where is the tractor used in agriculture? Tractor is used at each of the stages activity in agriculture practice. For this, tractor is connected with different agriculture implement. Example, plugging is done by tractor driver cultivator. Seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractor. By this, weeds can also be removed. Harvesting and threshing are carried out with the help of combine. Combine can also connect with tractor. Tractor is also used to transport crop to the market or yard. Next, explain giving scientific reason. Number one, earthworm are called friends of farmers. Earthworms inhabit in the soil of field. They make the soil upside down and the soil becomes soft. The excreted fecal vestige of earthworms are being added in form of humus in the soil. The humic substances are added by the deterioration of dead bodies. The soil fertility increases due to it. So, earthworm are called friends of farmers. Next, the soil should be plugged. Number one, plugging of the soil breaks the cloud occurring in the soil and the soil particles are separated. Number two, the clay of the soil turns up and down with the. Number three, so air circulation in the soil increases and the soil becomes soft. Number four, seeds can easily germinate in the soil soft. Number five, require for respiration. Respiration is available for sprouting of seed as well as for microorganisms and earthworms occurring in the soil. Hence, the soil should be plugged. Next, number three, rotation of crop should be done. Answer: the required specific nutrients occur in the soil. Crop are constantly absorbed by it. Single crop is taken repeatedly. So, deficiency of nutrients occur in the soil and production of crop decreases. Number three, the soil efficiency is maintained by rotation of crop. It crops of pulses and cereals are taken alternately. By growing crop of pulse, fixation of nitrogen occurs due to rhizobium bacteria inhabiting in its root and performing an important function to increase the fertility of the soil. Rotation of crop also controls the harmful pests of crop. Hence, rotation of crop should be done. Use of chemical fertilizer should be reduced. The soil texture spoils due to excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Number two, sometimes crop may destroy or crop production reduced due to excessive use of chemical fertilizers. The soil pollution occur due to the effect of chemical fertilizers as well as the useful microorganisms occurring in the soil are destroyed. Hence, use of chemical fertilizers should be reduced. नेक्स्ट है डिफरेंस बिटवीन फर्टिलाइजर एंड मैन्योर. फर्टिलाइजर का 1 पॉइंट आएगा. फर्टिलाइज एंड इनऑर्गेनिक सॉल्ट एंड मैन्योर इज अ नेचुरल सब्सटेंस ऑब्टेन्ड बाय द डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ कैटल डंग, ह्यूमन वेस्ट एंड प्लांट वेस्ट. नंबर टू, फर्टिलाइजर का फर्टिलाइजर इज प्रिपेयर्ड इन फैक्ट्रीज. नंबर टू, मैन्योर कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड इन द फील्ड. नंबर थ्री, फर्टिलाइजर डज नॉट प्रोवाइड एनी ह्यूमस टू द सॉइल. नंबर थ्री, मैन्योर प्रोवाइड्स अ लॉट ऑफ ह्यूमस to the soil. Number four, fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Manure का 4 point, manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. अभी next difference between है drip system and sprinkler system. Number one, drip system. This system is a boon in the region where availability of water is poor. Sprinkler system का 1 point. The system is more useful on the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. Drip system का 2 point. In this system, the water falls drop by drop just at the position of the roots. 2 point. Sprinkler system का in this system, water sprinkler on the crop as if it is a rainy. Number 3 point, drip system का this is the best technique for watering fruit plants, gardens and trees. Number 3, sprinkler system का this is very useful for the sandy soil and also for garden loan. लास्ट पॉइंट है ड्रिप सिस्टम का, वाटर इज़ नॉट वेस्टेड एट ऑल बाय दिस सिस्टम। नंबर 4 पॉइंट स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम का, वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर इज नेग्लिजिबल इन दिस सिस्टम। ये आपका क्या हो गया, जो मैं द फॉलोइंग हो गया और शॉर्ट आंसर मैंने करवा दी। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके मैं आपको मैं द फॉलोइंग है, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन और डिटेल्स वो करवाऊँगी। थैंक यू। ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और इसे लर्न भी करना है। थैंक